In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the elimination/addition method. Before I solve the system using this method, I need to make sure that the given set of equations, these two, are in this format. Ax plus by is equal to c. That means the constant is on the right and ax and by are on the left. As we notice that the given equations are already in this format, both of these equations. Now let's say we want to apply the elimination method. So we are going to eliminate y first. We are going to eliminate y first and then solve for x. We need to make sure if we eliminate y, y's have the same coefficient but with opposite signs. In this case, it happens to be the case that y has a coefficient of 1 in the first equation. In the second equation, y has a coefficient of -1. So we happen to be in luck, so we can just go ahead and add the given equations as it is without any multiplication or anything, and then solve for x. If we do so, we get the following. Note that x plus x is going to give me 2x. Positive y, negative y is going to cancel out. So on the left hand side, all I have is 2x. On the right hand side, 17 minus 11 is 6. Now I can solve for x by dividing both sides by 2. If I do that, 2 and 2 cancel out on the left. That gives me x. And on the right hand side, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So x is 3. So that is going to be my x. Now we are going to do a similar process, but this time instead of solving for x, we are going to solve for y. So we need to get rid of the x terms. Now we know that the coefficient of x in the first equation is 1, coefficient of x in the second equation is 1. So all we need to do is change one of the coefficients to -1, and we can do so very easily by multiplying the second equation by -1. If we did that, we get the following. I multiply both sides of this equation by -1. So this is my way of saying I am multiplying by -1. So -1 times x is going to be -x. -1 times -y is going to be positive y. And then that is going to be equal to -1 times -11 is positive 11. Now I am going to take this equation and add that equation to this one, which is x plus y is equal to 17. Now on the left hand side, what happens is this negative x and positive x, they cancel out, and y plus y is 2y, and on the right hand side 11 plus 17 is 28. Now to solve for y, all I need to do is divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out on the left. That gives me y is equal to 2 goes into 28 14 times. So my y is 14. So I just found that the solution to this given system of linear equations is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 14. Now let me give you some perspective in terms of graphs or physically what it means. So I'm just going to sketch something here. This is not an exact graph, but it's a sketch. So this is one of the lines and this is another line. So let's say this line is this one and this line is this one. Okay, this is just a sketch, keep in mind. Now what it is, when we are solving for this system, in essence what we are finding this point of intersection, meaning we are finding the coordinates of this point of intersection, and that coordinate is going to be 3 comma 14, and that's what it is. Now note that this point of intersection is common to both the lines. That means for both of this line, this point is common. That means this coordinate, which represents this intersecting point, is going to satisfy this line, and this line in essence is going to satisfy this equation and this equation. That's what it means. When you are solving a system of linear equations and finding a solution set, what in essence you are finding is the point where all these lines meet or where all these lines intersect or overlap. That's what it is. You are finding a point that is common to all the lines that are under consideration. That's what it means. We are finding the coordinates of such a point. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.